slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love.
Good day everyone. Today, I'm thrilled to present to you our online job portal project. This is a comprehensive, full-stack application designed to connect job seekers with employers efficiently and effectively. We've built this project using Spring Boot for the backend, React.js for the frontend, and MySQL as our database. Our goal was to create a dynamic platform that is both user-friendly and robust, catering to the needs of various users in the job market. Technologies used: we utilized several cutting-edge technologies to bring this project to life. Spring Boot: this framework forms the backbone of our application, allowing us to create a scalable and maintainable backend with RESTful APIs. React.js: on the front end, React.js provides a fast, interactive, and responsive user experience. MySQL: for our database, we chose MySQL for its reliability and efficiency in handling complex queries and large amounts of data. Spring Security 6 with JWT, for secure user authentication and authorization, ensuring that only authenticated users have access to specific functionalities. Software used: in terms of software, we relied on IntelliJ IDEA and VS Code for coding and development, Postman for API testing, MySQL Workbench for database design and management. User modules: our platform is structured around three primary user modules. Administrator module: the admin is responsible for overseeing the platform, managing users, job categories, and job postings. User Job Seeker module: this module allows job seekers to search for jobs, apply, and manage their profiles. Employer Company module: employers can post jobs, manage applications, and review candidate profiles. Functional modules: the core functionalities of our job portal are broken down into several modules. User authentication module: we've implemented a robust registration and login system using Spring Security 6 and JWT, ensuring that only authenticated users, admins, employers, and job seekers can access and use the platform's features. Employer module: employers can register, log in, post job listings, and manage applications from prospective employees. Employee module: job seekers can register, log in, update their profiles, search for jobs, and apply for positions that match their skills and experience. Job category module: this module allows the admin to add, update, view, and delete job categories, helping organize job postings by industry or type. Job module: employers can post jobs, job seekers can search and apply for jobs, and everyone can view jobs filtered by various criteria. Job application module: job seekers can apply for jobs and employers can view and manage applications. Both parties can track the status of each application, with the ability to update or withdraw applications as necessary. Roles of the job seeker: specifically, the job seeker has several capabilities. They can register and log into the platform. They can post jobs if they are also looking to hire. They have the ability to view and delete their job postings. They can view all applicants for their posted jobs and check the applicant's profile. They can update the status of jobs they have applied for, ensuring they stay informed throughout the hiring process. Key pages and features: in addition to the core modules, our platform also includes several essential pages and features. Home page: a welcoming interface that provides quick access to job searches, categories, and login portals. About Us page: this page offers insights into the mission and vision of our job portal, giving users confidence in our platform. Find Jobs page: a dedicated page for job seekers to search for jobs based on keywords, categories, and locations. Job Alerts page: users can subscribe to job alerts, receiving notifications when jobs matching their criteria are posted. Employers page: this page is tailored for companies looking to post jobs and manage applications. Contact Us page: a straightforward way for users to reach out for support or inquiries. Top categories: highlighting the most popular job categories, making it easier for users to find relevant jobs. Profile page: where users can manage their personal information, update their profiles, and view their application history. Resume edit or upload page. Users can edit or upload their resumes, ensuring their profiles are always up to date. Chatbot, an AI-driven feature that assists users with navigating the portal, answering FAQs, and providing support 24/7.
This platform is designed to serve multiple user roles, but today, I'll be focusing specifically on the employee-company role. This role is essential for companies seeking to fill vacancies by applying for jobs and managing their applications seamlessly. Employee-company role. Let's dive into the functionalities available to the employee-company users. Registration. The first step for any company employee is to register on the platform. This process is simple and straightforward, ensuring that each company employee has a unique profile, enabling them to fully utilize the platform's features. Job search. Once registered, employees can search for jobs that match their skills and preferences. The search functionality is powered by advanced filtering options, making it easy to find the most relevant job opportunities quickly. View job details. After finding a job of interest, employees can view detailed job descriptions, including the role requirements, company information, and application deadlines. This allows them to make informed decisions about the jobs they wish to apply for. Apply for jobs. The application process is seamless. Employees can apply for jobs with just a few clicks, submitting their resumes and any other required documents directly through the portal. View applied jobs. Employees can keep track of all the jobs they have applied for in one place. This feature helps them stay organized and informed about the status of their applications. Cancel applied jobs. If an employee decides they no longer want to pursue a particular job opportunity, they can easily cancel their application. This feature adds flexibility to the job search process, allowing users to manage their applications proactively. Key pages and features. In addition to these functionalities, the employee-company role includes several key pages and features designed to enhance the user experience. Login page. This is the gateway to the platform. The login page is secure, ensuring that only authenticated users can access their profiles and the platform's functionalities. Registration page. As mentioned earlier, the registration page is when new users create their profiles. It's user-friendly, guiding employees through the necessary steps to get started. Dashboard page. Once logged in, employees are greeted with a personalized dashboard. This page provides an overview of their activities, including job applications and notifications, all in one convenient location. Post a job page. For employees who also have the authority to post jobs, this page allows them to create and publish job listings. They can enter job details, set categories, and specify requirements, making the job posting process quick and efficient. Job post history page. This page provides a history of all the jobs posted by the employee, helping them manage and track their postings over time. They can edit or delete postings as needed. Apply job history page. Employees can view a history of all the jobs they've applied for. This feature is particularly useful for keeping track of ongoing applications and managing follow-ups. Help desk page. We've included a help desk page to support employees with any issues or questions they might have. This page offers a direct line to customer support, FAQs, and troubleshooting tips. Logout page. Security is a priority, and we've made it easy for employees to securely log out of their accounts, protecting their information. Profile page. On the profile page, employees can manage their personal information, update their resumes, and adjust their account settings. Keeping this information up to date ensures that they present their best self to potential employers. Chatbot. Finally, the platform includes a chatbot feature, providing real-time assistance and guidance. The chatbot is available 24/7 to help with job searches, profile updates, or any other queries the user might have.
Online job portal project developed using Spring Boot, React.js, and MySQL. Today, I'll be focusing on the administrator role, a crucial component of our platform that ensures smooth management and operation. The administrator plays a pivotal role in overseeing the entire job portal, maintaining its structure, and ensuring its effectiveness for all users. Administrator role: the administrator has a range of powerful features designed to manage and optimize the job portal. Login. Admins begin by logging into the system through a secure login page. This ensures that only authorized personnel can access administrative functions. Register other admins. The admin has the authority to register new admins. This feature allows for the scalable management of the platform by enabling trusted individuals to help oversee operations. Add job categories. Admins can add new job categories to the system. This helps in organizing job listings, making it easier for users to search for jobs in specific fields or industries. View and delete job categories. If a job category is no longer relevant, admins can view and delete it. This helps in maintaining an updated and relevant list of categories. Update job categories. Admins can also update existing job categories. Whether it's changing the name or modifying the description, this feature ensures that job categories remain current and accurate. View all jobs. The admin can view all job postings on the platform. This feature allows for monitoring of job listings and ensures that all postings comply with platform guidelines. View all applicants for any job. Admins can view applicants for specific jobs, providing insight into the candidates applying for various positions. View all applicants from all jobs. To get a broader view of the job market activity, admins can access a comprehensive list of all applicants across all jobs posted on the platform. View all users, job seekers. Admins can see a list of all job seekers registered on the platform. This feature is useful for managing user accounts and ensuring the integrity of the user base. View all employees, companies. Similarly, admins can view all companies registered on the platform. This helps in overseeing company activities and managing employer accounts effectively. Key pages and features. To facilitate these functionalities, several key pages and features are integral to the administrator role. Login page. The entry point for admins, ensuring secure access to administrative features. Registration page. Where new admins are registered, adding to the administrative team as needed. Dashboard page. The central hub for admins, providing an overview of job postings, user activity, and other critical metrics. Post a job page. Though primarily for employers, admins can use this page to oversee job postings and make necessary adjustments. Job post history page. This page allows admins to review the history of job postings, including modifications and deletions. Job category page. Admins can manage job categories from this page, including adding, updating, or deleting categories. Metrics page. Provides valuable insights into platform performance, such as the number of job postings, user registrations, and application statistics. Register company page. Admins can register new companies on the platform, ensuring that all relevant employers are represented. Profile page. Admins can manage their own profiles, update personal information, and adjust account settings. Chatbot. An interactive feature that provides real-time assistance and support to admins, helping with common
integrates a range of advanced technologies to deliver a high-quality user experience. Front-end technologies. We've chosen React.js for the front-end. React.js helps create a responsive and dynamic user interface, ensuring that our job portal provides a smooth experience on both web and mobile devices. Backend technologies. For the backend, we use Spring Boot, which offers a scalable and reliable infrastructure. It simplifies data processing and user authentication, making it easier to handle complex business logic efficiently. Database. We rely on MySQL as our database management system. Its efficiency and dependability make it ideal for managing job postings, user data, and other critical information, ensuring quick and reliable data access. DevOps tools. Docker is used for containerization, ensuring our application runs consistently across various environments. This helps us avoid deployment issues and maintain a reliable system. Programming languages. Java powers our backend development with Spring Boot, leveraging its server-side capabilities. On the front end, JavaScript enhances interactivity and responsiveness through React.js. Intermediary software. Apache Kafka manages real-time data updates and notifications, keeping our platform responsive and up-to-date.